Hello everyone. This is a very interesting topic. So the topic is cost of holding $1 million property. Now in this example, I am assuming that the buyer has bought $1 million worth of property in Sydney, which is a brand new property. Now we will analyze that what will happen if he has bought it as investment property, and what will happen in case he has bought it as a personal residence. So there are two options: he can live in that, and the second option is he rents it out. So what will be his holding cost? How much he will be out of pocket every year in both the situations? We are assuming it is the interest rate is 4%, because that will be eventually maybe eventually after few months or few years it will be around 4%. So in case he is holding it as a home, he's living there, his interest is on $1 million, 40,000 repairs, council, just other expenses. So we are assuming his holding cost is 50,000. So basically, if he owns the home and he lives in that, his holding cost is 50,000. He is out of pocket by approximately 50,000, and he cannot claim any tax benefit because he is living in that. Now, as against if he rents it out, what happens? If he rents it out, his cost is again 50,000 because he pays interest, repairs, council, about 50,000. But he gets rent. We assuming he's getting rent of 600 a week, so comes to around 30,000 a year. So he will get rent. That's his cash loss. Cash loss is around 20,000. He will also claim depreciation. On brand new property, you get very high depreciation. It will be between 15 to 25,000. In this example, I have considered it at about 20,000. So that's just a basic example which I have taken. So total loss is 40,000. 20,000 is the cash loss, and 20,000 is the depreciation loss. Total loss is 40,000. I'm assuming he is at 100,000 tax. His income is around 100,000. That's pretty standard if he is earning $1 million. So he's off 100,000. He will get tax saving of approximately 40,000, 40%. So 40% of the loss, which is 40,000, 40% of 40,000 is 16,000. So 16,000 he will get a tax refund. So that is a tax benefit he is getting of holding it as an investment property. So his cash loss was about 20,000. He is getting a tax benefit of 16,000. So 20 minus 6, he is out of pocket by only 4,000. So if he owns the home, he lives in that, his holding cost is 50,000. Holding cost is 50,000. But if he holds it as an investment property, his holding cost is only 4,000 or maybe 5,000. That is 10 times different. So this is what is the power of, if you hold a property as an investment property, you get major tax benefit plus you get the rental income. So that is a major tax benefit you get. So just see the difference. The difference is 10 times. So this is why you should consider buying a property as an investment property. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.